Hey guys, so today we are going to transform our friend Jessica into an ABG, which stands for Asian Baby Girl or Asian Baby Gangster, because she has the look. Look at her face.
She
the
does.
Look, yes. So we're gonna transform her to be a fierce looking. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna say the B word. A bad, fierce looking Asian.
True.
Okay, I'm ready for it.
I'm excited.
Because she doesn't have big pores, we're only gonna apply a small, what do you call it? Yeah, a small size of primer. Jessica has a pretty light skin, yeah? So this is my skin tone now because I got tan. So we're gonna try this matte and poreless foundation.
In a shade 125.
Yes, shade 125, what is it?
Nude beige.
Yes. Okay. It's good. So, let's look at her eyebrows.
Let me do her eyebrow.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, I trust you, Sharon, because like my eyebrows are bold.
So I'm gonna use a spoolie first to just arrange the eyebrow hair in place.
Yes. Oh my gosh, wouldn't it be nice if like a makeup artist has a partner? So like they can help each other.
True, eh?
As we wait, we're gonna prep her lids with concealer. Yeah. Nice. For her transition color, I need a little bit of, no, not that. What do you call it? What do you call this? Yeah.
So this is one of the colors.
Oh my gosh, you can take it off?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. She's using Winter Wonderland from a Tarte palette.
Yes, as a transition color. So that is a palette
From Benefit. And we're using which color? This?
yeah.
Alright, that is, I don't know what color that is, but yeah, this color. Yeah, we're using a color from Beauty Basics.
Yes, this is the color. It's called
Lavish. Yeah. So I'm using Falalalit.
Which one is it?
Falalalit. The highlighter.
Yeah. Eyeliner now. Should we use your eyeliner?
You want me to do it?
Oh man. Okay, I think she. Okay, let me try the left one. Her right one.
Yep, the other side.
I was holding my breath the entire time. Now we are going to put on powder all over our face using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressed Powder, shade number 130, Buff Beige. Now it's contour time. What we are using right now to contour her face is this Faux Color Blush Highlight and Contour in number 03.
Is actually from Lottie. I don't know how to say that, but it's in Zac.
Cool.
Very, very
Nah. Now we're gonna put a highlighter. Oh yeah, the eyes mascara. I forgot. Nah. Okay. First. How do I curl her lashes?
You wanna do it yourself?
Yeah.
Gak bisa ngaca.
Oh no.
Oh wait.
Wait. I think yeah.
I can do it. This is from Maybelline Lash Sensational.
Yes.
Mascara in black, and it's waterproof.
What do you think of this one? Is this kind of nude?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Goban.
Yes.
Where is it from?
Indonesia.
Oh, Goban Satin Gloss. Lip gloss.
Yes. And the shade Daydreaming, number 3. Local brand.
We're gonna put on a lip gloss on her. It's from Island Girl, Hawaii, in strawberry. That's Better Than Sex mascara from
Too Faced.
Too Faced.
You think? Oh yeah.
Looks good. I like it.
Yeah. She's ready. This is the ABG look. Now the big reveal. Yeah. We're gonna let her see.
Wait. Let me see if there's anything we're missing. I think we're good, yeah?
Yeah.
Wait. Another thing that's missing is her hair.
my hair is not really good. I'm like,
No, you look
Yeah.
good. Actually, your hair looks good. Yeah.
cepet di sini.
Okay, wait. Let me do some kind of
Okay.
stuff. Let me see.
Because my bangs like, I don't know.
Oh no, it looks good. It gives that kind of shape. Just like this.
Do you think she looks better with the gold one or the silver one?
Let me see your skin tone. Yeah, warm or silver is fine. Try this. Warm or silver. Gold, silver is fine.
I cannot put on earrings. I'm too scared. You do it. I'm scared.
Yes, girl! Yeah, you rock! Yes! This is amazing!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Yes! Holy moly!
She's going clubbing tonight.
She's a badass! Woohoo!
Okay, now this is a big reveal, yeah?
Flip.
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready for your look?
My heart's beating. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes! Looks bomb!
Oh my gosh!
Working!
So good! Such a fierce!
I'm ready to go to the club.
Yes!
Alright?
See, your hair is good.
Looks so good!
Mhm. Like a bombshell.
I know, right? This
Yes.
is amazing.
You should have taken a before and picture after, you know.
Oh, true, eh?
And after like, I
Oh
can
yeah.
Oh, yeah, true.
just pretend it.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
This is so good, girl!
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
Man.
I am so
credits
so
to
happy.
my makeup artist.
Crystal did such an amazing job. She's so great at turning somebody into an ABG.
Thank you guys.
Great job.
Jessica is now a whole different person. She is an Asian baby girl. She
Yes.
will testify about her feelings right now.
Okay, what do you
How do you
think?
feel?
So it's a bomb.
Yes.
It's lit.
Yeah, you like it, yeah? From 1 to 5 star.
6, 10. 6.
Yes.
So good. Oh my gosh, yes.
Okay, guys. I have to
thank
take
you.
some pictures afterwards.
Yes, you have to. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Our beautiful friend right here.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're gonna see you next time.
Bye bye.